Hello everyone, I'm Ali Tayyar. You're welcome to another project of art media. In this project, I'm going to show you how to carve a trunk of tree and put and set your beautiful birds on. Please follow me to the end of the video. Let's go. By using this small chisel, it is easy to carve a line on the wood. Before making line on the wood, it's better to clear it with a pen. Clear the line, paint it. Usually, I use mini grinder with this small simple nail. Yeah, this is mini grinder I use to shape and carve the line on the wood. Carving wood is fun. It's an exciting job. After making this line, you see, it seems so natural. Now I use 2 nails to make the stick tight on this wood. Before hammering up the nail, it's better to drill it, because the nail makes the wood broken. I did it well. Now I put my beautiful birds on the trunk. Hopefully the feet of bird is movable. You can change. You can turn it down, up, wide, any part of what you want. In this video I couldn't show you how to make the feet of bears. I hope in the next video, in the next project, I will show you how to make realistic bird's feet. Now my beautiful bird is ready, and I drop a few drops of glue. Yes. Pyrography pen is useful to do some to make details on the bird's feet. You can do this with a cheap heater that's so cheap and everywhere is available, but I have pyrography pen. After finishing, I use acrylic color to paint the trunk. Thank you for watching. As you see, recently I created this channel and I'm not good at editing videos. I would become better. Please subscribe my channel and share your comments with me. Thank you guys for watching me. I hope you have fun. See you on the next project.